Museum of Discovery and Science in Fort Lauderdale. It's a huge transition to go from preschool to kindergarten, and we want parents and children to know all the different aspects to prepare them.
The ELC is working hard every day to make sure that families know about quality early learning and that their children are prepared for kindergarten, and ELC is there for every mom and dad.
We are surrounded by the happy hum of learning. Huge success. We had over 2,900 people pre-register for the event. As you can hear, super busy. And what we wanted to do is really try and get children to understand that transition, that first day. We're giving away great STEM kits and tons of books to every child who comes through. So we're really working to get them prepared.
If we can get the parents excited about education at this age, this is just the beginning of a long-term education process.
So it's really about exposure. It's really about educating the community about all the opportunities, all the services that they can find in Broward County.
It's very stimulating, and also this is an exposure to our families who've never been to the Museum of Science and Discovery to be able to see what they can expose their child to on a normal daily basis aside from this event.
I think this is a really exciting opportunity for mothers like myself or educators as well. There is so much information here. Even I learned a bunch of things already for my son. I'm so excited.
There is so much enthusiasm and laughing and exploration going on in this museum. Also, all of the resources that we have here today so they can learn more about kindergarten and what to expect, both the children and their parents.